Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into something super cool in the Delaverse playground, creating your own multilingual translation AI agent. Imagine effortlessly turning your documents into multiple languages with just a few clicks. Perfect for global teams, content creators, or anyone breaking language barriers. This AI agent is a game changer because it automates translations using powerful AI, saving you hours of manual work while keeping the original document structure intact. Whether you're expanding your business internationally or sharing ideas worldwide, this workflow makes communication seamless and efficient, helping you reach more people without the hassle. Getting started is easy. Log into your Delaverse account and head to the playground. Click on Create New Project. Name it something fun, like Multilingual Magic, and hit Save to set up your canvas. From there, you'll build your agent step by step, like piecing together a puzzle. Let's break it down into the key parts. First, bring in your source materials. Add a Google Docs connector to pull in documents you want to translate, or upload files like PDFs and Word docs using a simple file organizer. It's like inviting your content to the party. Next, add the star of the show, the AI assistant. This is your translation powerhouse. Tweak it to use smart AI models for spot-on results across languages. No need to be a tech whiz, just tell it what you need. Then, set up where your translated goodies go. Connect another Google Docs spot to save the finished versions, keeping everything looking just like the original, but in your chosen languages. Don't forget the trigger. This is what kicks things off automatically. Schedule it to run daily or set it to activate when new docs arrive. It ties everything together smoothly. Finally, connect the dots. Link your inputs to the AI and the AI's output to your save spot. Save your setup and you're ready to roll. Keep an eye on how it's performing with Delaverse's built-in logs. Head to the Systems page to check execution details, spot any hiccups, and see metrics like speed and success rates. It's like having a dashboard that shows your agent's health at a glance, so you always know it's running smoothly. For those wanting to level up, experiment with refining the AI's instructions for even better accuracy. Maybe specify tones or contexts. You can also add more input sources or extra automations to handle bigger batches. Pro tip, start with a test run on a small doc to fine-tune before going full scale. Dive into your profile settings for usage stats to track how much you're saving in time and effort. With this multilingual translation AI agent, you're empowering your ideas to cross borders effortlessly. It's all about clarity, efficiency, and connecting with a global community. Give it a try in the playground today. Translate, share, and watch your world expand. What's your first project going to be? Let us know in the comments.